So hello everyone. So in this video we'll be seeing assignments on exceptional handling. Okay, so we have already seen some questions on exceptional handling, and today we'll be seeing these three questions. And let us see the first one. Write a Python program to demonstrate try, except, and else. Okay, and let us just create a folder exceptional hand. Let us just write a first.py. And let us write a program here, and we need to write try, except, and else, right? Let us just take example of zero division error. Okay, and let us just take x equal to 5 and y equal to 0. Let us try to print x slash y except zero division error, and let us print cannot divide a number with 0. And we also need to write the else. This is else block, executes only when there is no error. Okay, so I hope you guys remember what is the else block, right? It will executed when there is no error. Okay, now if we write this run this program, we're getting the output cannot divide a number with 0, and let us just make it as 9. It is being printed, and the else block will also get printed. This is else block, executes only when there is no error. So when there is no error, and then only else block will be printed, and also we are getting the x slash y value. Okay, and now let us go for the second one. Write a Python program with final block and handle the exception with try except block. So there is nothing but we just need to add the final block to this one, and we also need to handle the exception with try except. So let us just take L1 equal to 1 2 3 4 5, and let us try to print L1 of 10. L1 of 10 does not exist, right? There are only 5 elements, that is 4 indexes present inside, up to 4 indexes are present inside the given list. Except index error as index is out of range. Finally, what? Print. Let us just print this block is always executed. Okay, so let us just run it. Index is out of range we are getting because we are trying to print the 10th index which is not present in the given list, and we are printing the final block is always printed, that is nothing but this block is always executed. Now if we change it to L1 of 1, we're getting the first index value, that is 2, and we are also getting the this block is always executed thing. Okay, so this is the second one, and let us go to the third one now. Write a program that raises at least 2 exceptions from a class. Okay, so what you're gonna do is first we need to create a class with a constructor, and there should be 2 cases in which the class should throw exceptions. And let us just take 2 errors such namely type error and name error. Okay, so let us just use these things. First let us create a class class1. Let us create the constructor. Let us just take one number n as a parameter, self.n equal to n, at least 2 he said, right? So let us just write f1, that is nothing but function 1 self, and what we're gonna do is let us, this will raise the name error exception. The result, if you provide the wrong name, then it will provide the name error, right? So let us just try to print x. X is not being existed, right? So it will provide the name error, and let us name error as x is not present. And next one is type error, right? Let us just write f2 and self. This will raise type error. And let us just take L1 equal to 567, L2 equal to 678, and let us try to print L1 star L2. That is not possible, right? We cannot multiply two lists except type error print cannot multiply two lists. Okay, so we have created two methods and which will raise two different exceptions. Now let us also create one object and class 1. Let us just pass 6. Let us call these both functions, and now let us run it. X is not present, cannot multiply two lists. Okay, so these are raising two exceptions, that is, one is name error and another one is type error. Okay, so this is how the exceptions are being handled, and I hope you guys got it. And if you guys have any kind of doubts, do not forget to ask and we'll be responding. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys.